elections. And when we talk about the key constituencies that we have in this contest, this is the phase 1 that's happening today. But when we talk about the key constituencies in Jharkhand, starting from Champai Soren, who has just shifted the party to BJP, versus JMM's Ganesh Mahali. That's the Seraikala 2024 contest phase 1 key constituency. And when we talk about Jamshedpur East, which is in fact a very key high profile constituency, where we have BJP's Purnima Sahu, who is pitted against Ajoy Kumar of the Congress. This in fact remains to be a big contest for the win of the direct contest between Congress and the BJP. Now when we talk about Jamshedpur West, there is a contest between JDU and the Congress. From the Congress, there is Banna Gupta pitted against Saryu Roy from the JDU. There are also regional parties who are making their way in this contest of the key stakes in Jharkhand. When we talk about Barhat, there is BJP's Gamil Hembroin pitted against Hemant Soren from the JMM. Now, it remains to be a big question if that key constituency is going to be in the kitty of Hemant Soren or not. When we talk about Chaibasa, which is in fact largely also very much affected by tribals, Geeta Balmuchu, who is from the BJP, is contesting against Deepak Birua from the JMM. Now, this is in fact in most constituencies what is seen is the BJP JMM direct contest. This is now also giving us a sense of another party which is very dominant in Jharkhand is the AJSU, where in the Lok Sabha constituency of Lohardaga, Nehru Shanti is pitted against Rameshwar Oran of the Congress. AJSU against Congress, what we can see in Lohardaga in this high stakes key profile constituency. And when we talk about Gumla, we have BJP's Sudarshan Bhagat pitted against JMM's, again a direct contest, the BJP direct contest with Bhushan Tirki of the JMM. This is yet another key constituencies. And when we talk about Hazaribagh, we have BJP's Pradeep Prasad pitted against Munna Singh of the Congress. Viewers, these are some of the VIP constituencies that we are looking at. And now going forward with the remaining ones is Chhatra, where the RJD is in a direct contest with LJP's Ram Vilas Party, Janardhan Paswan. This is also in fact another way or making inroads of the regional parties of Bihar as well into these Jharkhand assembly constituencies with the direct contest of the central